Thank you very much. It has been indeed a pleasure organizing the Secretariat for the Scotch Digital Inclusion Awards this year. Perhaps for the first time in India, there have been categories like ICT for minority development, ICT for gender empowerment, so on and so forth. Out of the 10 categories that we had, unfortunately the lowest responses that we got were to minorities and gender, so I think that's a point of concern for all of us. Perhaps not enough projects are happening in these spaces, and we really do need to correct that. We got hundreds and hundreds of responses. It was a challenge to shortlist the top 100 ICT projects, which we were able to do, and I think this morning all of them have been conferred a certificate of merit. Now, out of these top 100 projects, the jury has chosen 30 projects that are worthy of the Scotch Digital Inclusion Award, which we would be conferring a little later. Given that Mr. Ahluwalia has another appointment, we are just slightly changing the program, and we are starting with the award function, then going on to Mr. Ahluwalia's speech, and then the other speeches. So may I request Pammi to come and Vimi to come and take over the awards.
Thank you, sir. As has been mentioned, there's a slight change in this, so we are going to be moving straight to the most momentous occasion of this evening, that is the awards. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these Scotch Awards are for all of you, and the distinguished list of awardees which we have, it lends testimony to the fact that these awards are conferred with a lot of seriousness. There is a lot of dignity attached to this, and of course there is a lot of eye for detail also, which is definitely required for the extraordinary contributions which these deserve. Now, these awards, ladies and gentlemen, they also bring to the forefront various organizations, institutions, people who have been contributing towards making this country a developed country and making a society a more socially equal society by the use of technology. So there are projects, there are people, institutions who have been recognized for their exemplary contribution to digital competitiveness, digital inclusion, deepening, and which is going to be yielding growth. And then, of course, people who have used information and communication technology for the betterment of the economy and for the betterment of society. So we are going to be first having the Scotch Digital Inclusion Jury Choice Awards. And we have Mr. Montek Singh Ahluwalia presenting these awards. Ladies and gentlemen, the first category is Technology Intervention of National Significance, and for the project Census of Year 2011, the award goes to Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner, India, under Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India.
Team to kindly come. One on each side. Please come.
We have Dr. C. Chandramouli, who is Registrar General, receiving the award. Under the same category, the next project is National Rollout Plan for all 22 scheduled Indian languages, and the winner is Center for Development of Advanced Computing. We have Professor Gautam Meena, Director General. There's no applause for them. I think, ladies and gentlemen, they definitely deserve a huge round of applause. As we're saying, they have been contributing towards digital competitiveness, digital inclusion, Thanks and congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the next category, technology in corporate competitiveness. And under this category, the first project is All ICT Initiatives. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Department of Post.
Let's say I also request my team members, Mrs. Sunita Trivedi and Dr. Shefali Das, to come on stage. Shefali and Mrs. Trivedi.
Ms. Radhika Doraiswamy, Secretary, receiving the award.
Mrs. Sunita Trivedi, she's not there.
Mrs. Sunita, you also requested to kindly join us here in this photograph. Ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead in...
Maybe I'll have to intervene. See, we are having a nice glass of wine and chilled beer after this, and the audience really needs to earn it. If you don't get clap, then we get only tea.
So there is an incentive now for clapping, little more loud. So ladies and gentlemen, in the same category, the next project is implementing server-based computing on thin clients at the rate Domino's across India. And in this project, for this project, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Medley Marketing Private Limited.
Domino's Pizza.
Mr. V.K. Gupta, we have the Managing Director.
So this is called an implementation of Domino's Pizza, and we have both Domino's and Medley Marketing right here. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, and ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the next